Number one, you need your thread, because you're going to be winding your bobbin with thread. You need your bobbin. Then you need your spool pin. This is my spool pin, but now it's pushed inside, so I'll just bring it out. Then you need your pretension disc. This is a pretension disc. Then you need your bobbin winder shaft. This is the bobbin winder shaft. So now I'm going to show you how to actually wind in your bobbin. So the first thing you're going to do is to place your thread in your spool pin. Make sure you bring it out as high as possible. So we'll put our thread in our spool pin. So now we'll take our thread and go to the pretension disc. Now this part is technical. When putting your thread into your pretension disc, what you do, you don't go this way because we want to make a crisscross. So what you do, you start from this edge and turn it around and bring it out on the other side. So can you see what I'm doing? Let me show you. So you take your thread, pass it through this way and bring it out on the other side so that it forms a crisscross. Can you see? So that's how we do it. Then you take it to your bobbin and we're going to be threading the bobbin. So I'll show you that now. So to thread your bobbin will always, depending on your model and your kind of bobbin, it will always have holes. You understand? So what you're going to do, you're going to look at one of these holes. It will have one at the bottom, this groove, and one at the top. It will always have holes. So what you're going to do, you're going to pass your thread through one of these holes from the inside. Do you understand? We're going to pass our thread through one of these holes. You can pick any one from the inside. So we're going to pass it from the inside through the hole from the inside and bring the thread out on the other side. So that's what I've done. I've passed the thread through this hole and brought it out from the inside to the outside. I hope you understand. Okay guys, so now that we have passed our thread through our bobbin, what we're going to do is to go to our bobbin winder shaft and push it to the right side. Please make sure it is at the right side. It is very important that it's at the right side, because when it's at the right side, your machine understands that you want to wind in your bobbin and you are not sewing. So once you have done that, you will see this groove here on the bobbin winder shaft. You fix this groove, you fix your bobbin, the other hole in your bobbin through this groove. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm going to fix it through this groove and to go in like this. So that's all. We are ready to wind our bobbin. So you see this other disc here. Your bobbin is going to sit on this disc. It is to ensure that your bobbin can move. So once we have done that, depending on your machine, please make sure the needle is up, because we're not sewing, we're just trying to wind in our bobbin. And also ensure you just go to wherever you start your machine to start sewing. Mine is this small pin here. So what I'll just do, I will just move it and to start. If yours is a button, just press the button and to start winding the bobbin automatically. So I'm going to do that and it's going to start winding in my bobbin now. So it has started winding in my bobbin. If I want it to stop, I will just press it like this, and that's all. It has stopped. Sorry, my thread fell off my spool pin. So another thing, your thread must not always be inside your spool pin. Like now I'm going to drop it on the floor and I can still wind in my bobbin. So now I've stopped it. So that's how to wind in your bobbin. So now I'm going to be taking my bobbin out of the bobbin winder shaft. I've taken it out and this is my thread that has winded my bobbin. So guys, this is how you can wind in and fill in your bobbin on your brother machine. So this is it on your brother machine. So in my next video, I'll show you how to fix your bobbin into your bobbin case and thread your machine. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to explain this process to you. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.